Before buying coconut oil for hair growth, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Real users are talking about how some oils can be heavy and greasy, affecting their hair. Let's dig into the top options that truly deliver results without the unwanted weight. Product number 1, Handcraft Blends Rosemary Coconut Oil. First up is the Handcraft Blends Fractionated Coconut Oil infused with rosemary. Priced at $9.99, this caught my attention with its promise of being 100% pure and natural, and it has a solid 4.6-star rating from 38,000 reviews. If you want a lightweight oil that supports hair growth, this is worth a serious look. This coconut oil is more than just a moisturizer. The fractionated formula means it absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, which is a huge plus for anyone worried about weighing their hair down. It's rich in antioxidants, promoting a healthier scalp and ideally better hair growth. With over 600 units sold in the last month, it's clearly a go-to for many. Now, some people complained about the scent, saying it's not very strong, which might be a letdown if you're looking for a fragrant experience. Here's the thing though, if you're more interested in results than fragrance, this oil can really deliver. This is perfect for you if you prefer a lightweight oil that won't clog your pores. Skip this one if you're looking for an oil with a strong scent. For the price, it offers solid value for high-quality coconut oil. Product number 2, Handcraft Blends Fractionated Coconut Oil. Next is another offering from Handcraft Blends, also a fractionated coconut oil but without the rosemary infusion. At $7.99, this one is slightly cheaper but still holds the same impressive 4.6-star rating from 38,000 reviews. If you want a versatile oil for both hair and skin, this is worth checking out. Like the previous product, this oil is 100% pure and natural, perfect for those who want to use it for multiple purposes like massage or mixing with essential oils. The lightweight formula ensures it won't leave your hair feeling heavy, which is crucial for those with fine or oily hair types. With 2,000 units sold this month, it's definitely a trusted choice. Some reviews mentioned it could be too thin for people who prefer a richer oil. But honestly, for those struggling with oily buildup, this is a blessing. It leaves hair feeling silky without the grease. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that serves multiple purposes. Skip this if you're looking for something thick and rich. It's great value for the price. Product number 3, Amazon Grocery Organic Virgin Coconut Oil. The third pick is Amazon Grocery's Organic Virgin Coconut Oil, priced at $7.21. This one stands out with a 4.7-star rating from nearly 48,000 reviews. If you're aiming for an organic option packed with nutrients, this is worth your attention. Being USDA certified organic, this coconut oil not only benefits your hair but is also a great addition to your cooking. It retains the natural coconut flavor, which can be a plus for those who love cooking with it. The 15-ounce container gives you plenty of product, and it's especially noted for its ability to add moisture and shine to hair, making it an excellent choice for dry or damaged locks. Some users felt it was a bit heavy for everyday use. But I'll be real with you, if your hair is really dry, that extra moisture can be just what you need. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-use oil that works for hair and cooking. Skip this if you need something light and airy. It offers a lot of bang for your buck. Product number 4, PURA-DOR Organic Fractionated Coconut Oil. Fourth on the list is PURA-DOR Organic Fractionated Coconut Oil, available for $16.99. It's got a solid 4.6-star rating from 22,500 reviews. If you're after a premium product that hydrates and nourishes, this is worth considering. This oil is ultra-pure and USDA certified, making it a safe choice for all skin types. Users rave about its ability to condition hair, reducing frizz while enhancing shine. Given its versatility, it's perfect for massages and daily skincare routines as well. Now, some reviews noted that the price might be a bit steep compared to others. But here's the thing, if you're serious about hair care and want something that feels luxurious and effective, it's worth the splurge. This is perfect for you if you value quality and versatility in your beauty products. Skip this if you're on a tight budget. It may be a bit pricey, but you get what you pay for. Product number 5, Miele Organics Rosemary and Mint Hair Oil. Finally, we have Miele Organics Rosemary and Mint Hair Oil priced at $8.90. This oil has an impressive 4.5-star rating from 122,200 reviews. If you're looking for a targeted treatment for your scalp and hair, this is definitely worth a look. It's great for treating dryness and can also help with split ends, making it a comprehensive solution for damaged hair. The 2-ounce bottle is perfect for travel, allowing you to keep your hair care routine consistent wherever you go. Some users mentioned that they experienced a tingling sensation due to the mint. This might not be for everyone, especially if you have a sensitive scalp. But honestly, if you're looking for a stimulating boost for hair growth, that's the trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a product that focuses on scalp health and hair fortification. Skip this if you're sensitive to tingling sensations. It's a solid investment for healthier hair. To wrap it up, each of these coconut oils brings something unique to the table. Handcraft Blends offers lightweight options, while Amazon's organic oil provides versatility. Pura D'Or focuses on premium quality, and Miele Organics targets scalp health. Depending on your specific needs, any of these could be your go-to for hair growth.